Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet Nails. My name is Sarah and I hope you all are doing super well today. I'm excited about today's video. I have these cute teddy bear charms that I got from Daily Charm. They're labeled as balloon teddy bears. They're super cute, I love them. I'm not gonna lie though, I kind of had some creator's block, so I really just winged it today. As always, I'm going in with my Couture Sky base coat. Once my base coat is applied, I am going to cure it for 30 seconds. I'm taking away 2 of the nails so that way I can focus on the design that I want to do with the other 2 nails. I wanted to create a French tip, so I am using Running Latte as my base color. As you can see, this bottle does not close correctly. I have a few bottles from Couture Sky that do this and I don't know how to fix it. No matter what I do, they don't screw on correctly. Running Latte was a part of their fall collection that came out quite some time ago. I am using this color to create the appearance of a nail bed. For the French tip, I am using one of my favorite colors, Chit Chat. It's this really cute, pinkish kind of, I guess, lilac color. It does look more purple in the bottle, but once you apply it and cure it, it does take on a more pink appearance. In these upcoming clips, you're going to see me create a rough outline of the French tip and then go back in with the bottle brush and fill it out the rest of the way. For the other 2 nails, I am using pure white as the base color. I was still trying to decide what design I wanted to do on the 2 white nails, so I took them off the stand and I put my French tips back on. I decided I wanted to do a texture design on the French tip, so I am taking my Light Elegance hard gel in Extreme. If you're not familiar with this particular hard gel, this one is designed to be perfect for beginners because the gel is extremely thick, hence the name. So when you're using it and when you put it down, it's pretty much not going to go anywhere. It's very easy to manipulate around the nail. I've actually had this gel since 2021 and at this point I don't feel comfortable using it on my actual nails because it's so old. But because of the consistency and the fact that I don't have like a 3D gel to use on my nails, I figured this would be perfect for it. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see that I've tried to do texture designs with a different hard gel, but that one, the consistency is a lot thinner, so I really have to race to try to get the design on the nail before it starts to run. So just some fun lore about me and this gel in particular. Like I said, I got this back in 2021, and since then I had moved like 3 or 4 times, and I thought I had lost this gel. I had it in a Light Elegance box that it came in, and it had a bunch of different hard gels and glitters and stuff in that box. I also had an expensive e-file bit for hard gel, and I was devastated because I thought I lost it when I moved. But I had one more moving box that I emptied today, and I found at the bottom of that box my Light Elegance box with all of my hard gels in it, and I was so thrilled. It's definitely on me that I lost the box, but just to kind of air out my dirty laundry here, wherever we have lived, I've never actually unpacked all the way because I was like, oh, we're just gonna end up moving again, which is exactly what happened. But where we're at now, we've been here for a year now, and we don't plan on moving, so I was like, well, I'm gonna finally unpack the last 2 boxes, and good thing I did. Now that my design is done, I want to put glass chrome on top, so I am going to apply rub-on top coat, specifically on the French tip part, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. I am going to use my silicone rub-on tool to apply the chrome on top. Then afterwards, I'm gonna use my finger a little bit to make sure that it's on all the way. I know I'm pretty far into the video at this point, but I just want to apologize if I sound like I'm talking funny in this video. My allergies have been acting up all day. My nose feels like I have to sneeze, but I can't. My nose is running, and then every time I feel like I have to sneeze, like I feel that tickle, I kind of like recoil because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna sneeze, and then I just can't, and it's very uncomfortable. Once I finish applying my chrome, I'm going to go back in with the rub-on top coat and then cure it for 60 seconds. Once that is cured, I'm going to take some rhinestone gel and apply it in the center of where the little swirl design is. Then I'm going to apply 1 pearl where I put the gel down. I got this set of pearls at Michael's. I felt like my design still looked kind of plain, so I decided to apply some more rhinestone gel and apply some more pearls in a little curved design. So I finally decided what to do with these two nails. I am going to apply glass chrome on top of these two nails as well. In the center of this nail, I am once again using the color Chit Chat to paint a heart. So apparently I forgot to record myself outlining the heart with silver chrome, but that's okay. After I did the outline, I am going back in with my silver chrome and creating a border around the heart. And now finally the star of the show, the teddy bear. I am going to apply rhinestone gel in the center of this heart, and then I'm going to put the teddy bear right there. Once again, I am going to put rhinestone gel in the center of this nail and put a teddy bear right there. To try to bring the design together, I am going to apply some pearls in the same curved design like I did on the French tip nails. Now that I'm finished with my design, it's time to top coat everything. I use just a regular top coat, but in retrospect, for a design like this, I would definitely use a no wipe top coat. There's just so many little nooks and crannies with the pearls and the teddy bears. It just makes more sense to not have to wipe off the sticky layer after it's done curing. And now here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I would love to talk to you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.